Welcome back to Web Development Tutorial Series. This is the 30th tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to limit the amount of posts on your web page. Let us go to Layout, click upon it, and scroll it down, scroll it down, scroll it down. And on our page body, go back to the blog post, click upon the edit pencil symbol, and over here, number of posts on main page. Here, under the title of main page options, we can see number of posts on main page. Suppose if you click upon here, only one, and don't forget to save it. Scroll it down, and save once, and try another one here, save it. Okay, the system is saving the new change. Your changes have been saved, so we can scroll it down and view a blog. Okay, only one, isn't it? You can see only one. We see only one. And shall we try two? Click upon Layout, scroll it down and search for page body, and under that page body we can see blog post, and click upon the edit pencil symbol, and here we want it to be 2. Scroll it down, and save it. Click upon the save button, and here another one more, save. Click upon that. The system is saving all the changes that we have recently made. Here, your changes have been saved. Scroll it down and view the blog. Okay, how many blocks can we find now? Now we can find 2 blocks. Shall we try 3 blocks? Shall we go back to Blogger Layouts? But unfortunately we have only 2 posts. So the schedule one, shall we just revert to draft? Okay, here we see draft. Click upon draft, and after that, okay, what's that? Okay, scroll it down, and shall we see the publish date? Okay, shall we just change the publish date to automatic? Okay, and every time you make any change on your web page, don't forget to save. If you want to preview, it's up to you. We just publish and confirm. Okay, it is published. Now we have 3 posts which are ready. Shall we go back to Layout and see the number of posts? Okay, before that, shall we see the number of posts? Sorry. Here, blog post, edit icon. Here 2, isn't it? Here 2. Don't make any change, no problem. You can save it. Changes have been. Changes saved for blog post. So you can view. We have how many? 1 post, and here is another post. What we want to see is the post, isn't it? So shall we go back to Blogger Layout, and as we did before, we'll do the same process. Okay, over here, click upon edit icon and change this number to 3, and saved at the bottom. Click upon the save widget and save once more over here. Save it. Okay, the system is saving the changes. Okay, so we can scroll down and view the block. 1, here 1, 2, and 3. It works. This is all for this tutorial. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my tutorials.